Hey, Finn here, tech lead for LocalGov Drupal. I've just asked Claude Code to create me a functional PHP test in the LocalGov Scarfolk theme. I said in my D10 project directory, can you create a functional test to confirm the LocalGov Scarfolk theme installs and the configuration page is accessible by a user with the appropriate permissions. It took a while to think about it, not a huge amount of time, and it's created this test, which looks like it has the correct path of test source functional theme install test. The class name matches the file name and it's extending browser test base, so that is all good. It starts with the Stark theme, the default theme property, and then it has a function called test theme installs, so this will be a test function. And as with anything generated by LLMs, it's important that you just read through it to make sure that you understand what it does, but it does save time. It runs the theme installer service. I'm not sure if this is going to get picked up by PHP coding standards, but anyway, it's grabbing the theme installer service and installing the LocalGov Scarfolk theme and adding a message there on success, and then gets the container factory and sets the default theme to LocalGov Scarfolk, and then goes to the front page and checks that we've got a 200. So that should check that it's installed without errors. It then has another test to test the theme settings page. Adds a nice comment there, test the theme settings page is accessible with the correct permissions. Does the theme installer again. Authorized user, it creates an authorized user with administer themes permission, which is what you need if you want to see the theme settings page. Creates that user and then logs that user in, goes to admin appearance settings LocalGov Scarfolk, checks that it can see that page, it's got 200 response, checks that the page contains Scarfolk Council, and does the counter with an unauthorized user, checking the page and making sure that it's a 403. So that all looks pretty good. Let's try running the test and see if it runs. So PHP unit web, remind me later. Web themes contrib LocalGov Scarfolk, 2 tests, 15 assertions, and no errors. So that's pretty good. We can have a quick look through the output. Sometimes if you click on the next button, it doesn't have another page. So here it is going to the settings page, obviously, and then it logs out. And what happens next? It logs in again and goes to the settings page and confirms that access is denied. So yeah, pretty good. A quick stub out of a couple of tests for the theme. We could then commit those and get somebody else to run their eyes past them and continue writing other tests. So I think LLMs can help speed up the test writing process for sure.